The MiCollab homepage consists of the inbox where you can see the latest messages, calls, and meetings. It is also a convenient location to store shortcuts. This includes frequently visited websites, speed dials, frequently used contacts, building a new contact group, adding an existing group to the home screen, and a stream, which is a collaboration space designed to enable collaboration for team, projects, and topics. We are going to add a speed dial. Click Speed Dial. Enter a name. Enter a phone number. Note the trunk access code is not required. Click Done. Click your speed dial to call the number. Depending on your settings, the number will either be dialed immediately or you will be asked which device you wish to use to make the call. If your desired speed dial is an internal contact, you can use Add Contact. Click Add Contact. Search for your contact. Select your contact from the list. Click Done. Your contact status is visible. Hover over the contact for available actions. You can call the user, send a message, review their contact information, or start a video meeting. Contacts can be grouped together. Click New Group. Enter a name. Click plus icon. Contacts already on your homepage will appear here and can be selected. Search for additional contacts. Select contact from the list. Click Done. Click Create. Hover over your group. You can send a message, review their contact information, or start a video meeting. You can organize or delete the items on the homepage. Click and hold on an icon. This activates edit mode. You can drag an icon to a new position, or click the X to delete. Click Done.